Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update, and today we're going to talk about a new credit scoring system that's coming out, and it should be here within the next few months. So I just wanted to get everybody prepared. You can go to the site now and register, so as soon as it does activate, you can automatically get started on it. What it's called is Experian Boost. Okay, and I'll go over that in more details here in a second. But I hope you like the video. I hope you like a lot of the videos that I do. If you would, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up. We're in the comment section down below. Please give me some ideas on what you want me to talk about next. Sorry, I didn't shave today. But I wanted to get this out because it's really important. There's millions of people out there that don't qualify for mortgages, cars, credit cards, all kind of stuff, because of their credit scores. I mean, we're talking millions of people. So this system is going to help those with virtually no credit scores or low credit scores, basically due to not enough there for the algorithms to read it and provide you a good score. So what's going to be done is I had a previous video. There's an ultra FICO score coming out here shortly as well. And what that does is it tags into your credit or your checking account and is going to see your average balances, the accounts that you pay to make sure there's certain like telephone or your cell phone bills, your utility bills, things like that are paid on a monthly basis, that it can start tracking, how you pay those. And it's also going to look at balances that you have available to you. Could be good or bad. If you're like most Americans, payday we're all rich, the next day we're poor. So that system might not work out to the best of its ability for you. So now comes into play this new program, Experian Boost. What it's going to do is it's going to allow you to link your account to the system, and it's going to monitor how you pay, like your cell phone bill and your cable bill or your internet bill or your utilities bills. That's it. So it's giving you a pay record or a pay history on those accounts. It's not looking at the balances. So it could have, it's expected to have that much of a greater impact on or for people that have virtually no credit, or they're on that, that in that gray area that they have minimum credit scores because of the usage. So I just found out, I got some details in regards to this program and how many people they think it's going to help, and kind of the realm of, or the area of the people that it should help. So that's saying, and I'll give you a link down below on where to go to register for this. So as soon as it is active, you can get on it immediately. But their website is saying there's 100 million people out there that this is going to benefit. Okay, 10% of them are going to have 10% of them have a bad credit score or no credit score because of no credit. So just think of 100 million people, 10% of that is, so 10 million people can't get or having a difficult time with their credit scores because of just lack of credit. So this is going to help, anticipate at least 10 million people for that. So let me read some other things on here. Percentage of consumers who started with FICO scores below 680 and saw improvements, 75%. 75% of people with a 680 credit score use this system and are getting benefits on the beta testing that they've done. That's huge. Another thing is percentage of consumers who moved into better FICO score categories, tiers. 5 to 15% are moving into better tiers. Again, that's huge. So let me give you an impact on what this can do for you. So not only, I'm a mortgage broker in Chicagoland area, so you know what I do. Let's say though, credit cards. You want a credit card. Well, if your credit score is a 580 or a 680, it might be the difference of getting a 25% interest rate versus an 8% interest rate. Insurance, car insurance, homeowners insurance. You could have a premium of $2,000 on your home because of the 500 credit score, or $1,000 premium on your homeowners insurance because now you have a 700 credit score. So these are all the benefits of this. I'll come out with more videos as the details get more and more and as we get closer to launch. But again, I'll post down below a link to where you can go to find the website that you can register, pre-register, and get alerts as it comes due. And again, I just wanted to get this video out to you real quick because this has just been brought into everybody's attention. I wanted to bring it to your attention because if you're one of the 100 million people that's suffering because of credit scores, this can really help you out. So hope you like this video. Again, please give me a thumbs up or make sure you subscribe down below. If you'd like to reach me personally, call 630-338-1160, or you can reach me on the web at themortgageupdate.net. Or shoot me an email. Just give me some comments. My email address is pretty simple as well. It's Dan, Dan.Frio, it's F-R-I-O, @gmail.com. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like these videos. Make a comment down below what you want me to talk about next. God bless. Have a great day.